Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to the one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at top 3 altcoins to buy right now in the month of November. So in the past 24 hours, the market is currently down about 0.5%. If we take a look here, the top gainers in the past 24 hours is going to be Loopring. Loopring is up about 60.28%, trading at right around 97 cents. Highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin. Nothing even gets close to it, obviously. As we can see, 36.5 billion volume on Bitcoin, 17.8 billion on Ethereum. So Bitcoin is down about 0.36%. Ethereum is up about 0.5%. So Bitcoin still trading around the 61,000 area. Ethereum at around 4,300, right around that all-time high, guys. We're bouncing back and forth steadily. We have Binance Coin, which is up about 4% right now, trading at around $550. All these other altcoins are down about 1% or 2. We see Polkadot making a nice move here, 13% higher, close to 49, almost $50, close to the all-time high area right there. We see Shiba Inu back into the 7s. We're waiting for it to come back into the 8s and possibly even all-time highs at 9s. But we see it once again surpassed Dogecoin in the market cap here by about 3 billion almost, while Dogecoin is down about 2.5%. Obviously, some more altcoins that are up a bit or up about 2 or 4%, and then we have some outliers down here that are up even higher, 4 or 5%. So definitely moving nicely here in the past few hours or past 24 hours. Markets are doing well. Now, guys, if you want to stick around and check out the rest of this video, before we do that, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video, and leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying in the month of November. Now let's get into it. So the first altcoin on this list is going to be Kusama, KSM. This one is up about almost 9% in the past 24 hours from lows of $360. Now it's trading at $400. In the past week, this one is actually pretty much flat. We were trading at exactly this range, 7 days ago, pulled back down and came back up. So for anybody that bought a dip, you did a great opportunity right there. So in the past month, this one is up about 14%. In the past year, 1,235%. So this coin last year was trading at $28. Hit highs first here in March at 548. Pulled back down, came back up here in May, late May, when we saw pretty much the peak of the cryptocurrency market at that point. Hit 623. Pulled back down with the rest of the market all the way down here to lows of about 148 at one point, and then from that 148 area, obviously we made about a 200% gain here to the upside of highs of 435. So massive gains for anybody that bought the dip in July. And even if you bought the dip up here, obviously when it went down to about 300, you would have made about a 30% profit or so, which is still decent. And we still have about another, let's just say 20 to 25% upside to get to the all-time high area. And this market cap for this coin, Kusama, is actually pretty low. Their market cap is only at around 3.4 billion market cap. Volume is actually up almost 100%. It's up 94% higher than usual at 221.8 million. We see obviously here all-time high at 623. So guys, if we get to the all-time high area, we would only be trading at around a 5 billion market cap, which is still not too crazy for cryptocurrencies that we're watching right now, as some of them are surpassing 10, 20, 30, 40, even 50 billion market cap. So these coins continue to grow higher and higher, and I would not be surprised to see Kusama be one of those coins in the future that continues to grow. Only at a 3 billion market cap right now, has plenty of potential for upside in the future. So definitely want to be adding to your radar and see how it performs in the upcoming years, guys. Kusama, number 1. Second altcoin is going to be Cosmos, also known as Atom. So Cosmos right here in the past 24 hours is trading flat. It went to lows of 34 and came back up to about 37 right now. In the past week, this one is up 4.7% with highs up here of over $44 at one point, or $43.50. If we look at the past month or so, down about 2%. Past year, up 703%. So Cosmos right here was trading at $4 last November, hit highs in February, which a lot of coins hit a peak here in February when we saw a lot of meme stocks, being traded like GameStop. Hit 25, consolidated, hit a little bit higher here, 27. Then we hit even higher up here, almost 30 in May. And this was pretty much the peak just like Kusama. Same pattern right there. Hit the peak in May, pulled back down with the rest of the market, hit lows down here of about under $9 at one point, and then it came back up here to highs of over $40 at one point. So about a 300% upside from July to September here. 300% gains for anybody that got in, obviously, and invested, let's just say $1,000, for example. They would be up about $3,000 or 300% in a matter of 2 months. which in my opinion is obviously an insane gain to be getting that quickly, as we're used to, trading in the stock market. We're trading, 10% average every single year. Meanwhile, the crypto market does that in a pretty much overnight. They can do 10%. So current market cap on Cosmos is going to be at 8.3 billion. Its volume is up 26% higher than usual at 629.9 million. Typical hold time is going to be 37 days. It is ranked the number 20th coin on the list. 62% buy activity and 38% sell activity on this one. Cosmos is a cryptocurrency that powers an ecosystem of blockchains designed to scale and interoperate with each other. The team aims to create an internet of blockchains, a network of blockchains able to communicate with each other in a decentralized way. Cosmos is a proof of stake chain. Atom holders can stake their tokens in order to maintain the network and receive more Atom as a reward. Now, how does all this work? Well, pretty much the main idea of Cosmos is to allow for faster and cheaper decentralized applications, anything from an NFT marketplace to decentralized exchanges, by allowing them to run on their own dedicated blockchains. So all of these independent blockchains are, interconnected by the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC. Cosmos also provides developers with pre-built modules that allow them to quickly create blockchains that are completely customizable for their specific use case. Now, the Cosmos Consensus Engine, IBC protocol, and software developer kit are designed to enable ease of use and interoperability between chains while maintaining the security and transaction cost and speed developers would expect from the other leading blockchain platforms. Something to keep in mind, you can earn rewards by staking Atom, obviously, on Coinbase and many other apps as well. So definitely something to be checking out with Cosmos, as we are trading close to these all-time highs at around a 9 billion market cap or so. If we do get to the all-time highs, this coin is still very, very cheap in my opinion for the long run, next 5, 10, 15, 20 years. I would not be surprised to see this coin trading at $100 or even higher. So this could be a long-term investment opportunity if it fits your criteria, and definitely it's something to be checking out, guys. So that's going to be our second altcoin. And then last but not least, number 3 on the list is going to be LTC, also known as Litecoin, one of the old school coins here. This one is up about 2.5% in the past 24 hours, trading at 197. In the past week, this one is still up about 3.5%. In the past month, 28%. So even an old dog like Litecoin is still making some gains in the past month. In the past year, 285%. Obviously, this one had a lot of momentum from November to pretty much May here at 413. Close to the 420 area, all-time high actually, that it previously hit in 2017. Then it pulled back down to here, the lows of about 105, and then hit highs of over 230. So about 100% upside from July to September once again. But it's been consolidating here pretty much since May around this area. So, that's about a 4 or 5 month consolidation period. We're waiting for a breakthrough for this one to continue to go higher. What we need is some type of news and some volume to start picking up on this coin, because it is underperforming the market, in my opinion. So market cap 13.7 billion currently. Volume in the past 24 hours is up 12% higher than usual at 2.3 billion. Typical hold time is going to be 97 days. A lot of hodlers on this one. Popularity, it is ranked at number 14 coin, 53% buy activity and 47% sell activity. Now, Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that uses a faster payment confirmation schedule and a different cryptographic algorithm than Bitcoin. How does all of this work? As a fork of Bitcoin, Litecoin did not aim to change the fundamental logical or architecture, being nearly identical to Bitcoin in terms of use and design, but with the reduced transaction confirmation time and a much lower cost, as much as 50 times lower, depending on the market conditions, obviously. So something to keep in mind with Litecoin is the speed and relatively low fees make it appealing as a payment option and means of transferring value, but the network has significantly fewer miners than Bitcoin, which has a negative effect in terms of overall network security, obviously, as more people are transferring into different coins. But Litecoin is still one of these old school coins that people are watching and waiting for that all-time high area, which will give it about a close to 30 billion market cap if that was to happen, and it will be trading closer to the $400 range. So Litecoin, old school coin, but definitely one to be watching for the next move up, as it is underperforming the market in my opinion right now. So those are the 3 altcoins we're going to be watching right now, guys. Solana down here, like we said. Let's take a look at some of these other ones. Solana's at $200, down about 2%. Shiba Inu up about percent. Dogecoin down about 2.5%, like we said. Bitcoin up here, if we take a look, pretty much trading flat. In the past week, we're down 2%. Past month, we're up over 27% with those highs, obviously. On the 1 year chart, Bitcoin is still up 360%, making massive gains from lows down here of about 14,000 last year. Now we're trading at 61,000. 1.2 trillion market cap, which is 35% of the crypto market space right now. 36.5 billion in volume, which is 14% higher than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 78 days. 64% trading activity on the buy and 36% on the sell. And if we take a look here at Ethereum, very similar pattern. So Ethereum up about a 0.5%, trading at 4,300. In the past week, we're up 2.5%. Past month, 30%. And then on the 1 year chart, 1,068%. So this one went from lows of under 400, and now it's at over 4,300 at one point here in the past year. Market cap currently 510.9 billion. 16% of the crypto market space is taken up by Ethereum. Volume is 17.7 billion, pretty much the same as usual. 79-day typical hold time. Ranked number 2 coin, right behind Bitcoin. Waiting for that flippening to happen one day eventually. We hope it will happen. Trading activity is going to be 69% buy activity and 31% sell activity on Ethereum. So guys, pretty much the big coins, the large cap coins are trading flat, sideways. Meanwhile, some of these altcoins are making moves. Some mid cap and low cap coins making a little bit of a move, a little bit higher. Some are, obviously down a little bit, but most of them are in the green right now. And we have some runners like Polkadot, which is up over 13%. So there's always plays to be made out there. You just have to go out and find them and do your own research, guys. So if you enjoyed this type of content, guys, smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for entertainment purposes only. Speak to your financial advisor. Do your own due diligence before investing. And make sure you understand the high risk, high reward type situation you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed. And let's have a great rest of the week. Goodbye.